Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video, we're gonna learn about how to tell the time. Have you watched this short? If you haven't, do watch it first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Without any further ado, let's get started. Look at this clock. It is called analog clock. There are 12 numbers on the face of the clock. Number 1 until number 12. When the minute hand moves around the face of the clock within 360 degrees, it is called an hour. An hour equals to 60 minutes. Hence, the movement of the minute hand from one number to the next number equals 5 minutes. Now, look at the clock. What time is it? Yes, you're right. It is 4 o'clock. When the minute hand points to 12, it is called a clock. Well, how about if the minute hand points to this area? We should use the word past. And when the minute hand points to this area, we should use the word to. Look at this example. Pay attention to the minute hand. It points at number 2. So, how many minutes is it? 5 minutes plus 5 minutes equals to 10 minutes. So, what time is it? Yes, you're right. It is 10 minutes past 4. Now, how about this one? What time is it? Let's count the minutes first. 5 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 5 minutes equals to 15 minutes. So, it means 15 minutes past 4. However, when the minute hand points at number 3, we commonly use the word quarter. We commonly say it's quarter past 4. What about this one? What time is it? It's 20 past 4. How about this one? What time is it? Well, when the minute hand points at number 6, we use the word half past. So, it is half past 4. Now, how about if the minute hand points to this area? Remember, we use the word to. And we count the minutes from the minute hand to number 12. Look at this example. The minute hand points at number 8. Now let's count the minutes by counting the minutes from the minute hand to number 12. 5 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 5 minutes equals to 20. It means it is 20 minutes. So we can say it's 20 minutes to 5. How about this one? When the minute hand points at number 9, we use the word quarter, quarter to. So, it's quarter to 5. What about this one? What time is it? It's 10 to 5. Congratulations! You've learned how to tell the time. It's easy, isn't it? Well, to check your understanding, let's have a quiz. What time is it? It's 25 past 9. What time is it? It's half past 1. What time is it? It's quarter past 10. What time is it? It's 5:22. Well, how many correct answers have you got? Write down in the comment section. Well, let's call it a day. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.